doing? What are you doing?
You want to make it, you want to do it down to that? Mommy?
Yeah?
Watch it.
Take it up to the fabric, to the plastic. Come over here. Ah! Yeah. Totally. Make a plan.
This ground is really hot.
It is very hot. My feet are burning. I don't know. It's good for the calluses. You're not even on the black part. How is that hot? You're not... Do that again.
Mommy, you want to do it?
You're enjoying yourself too much.
Bye. That's how he's standing up too. Robbie, the next Marilyn Monroe.
Do that on Grandma.
Go get Grandma.
No.
Yes, go get her. Attack!
This is all going on YouTube right
Do it again. Again.
Is that not about the crocus?
Can you do that on a... Let's see if we can do that on Uncle Just a tiny little bit. And it's mainly leg hair. Yeah, this is work on me so well, doesn't it? Julian, go! I am Superman! Superman!
Did you look at the ball of his head when it
Can I
happened?
do it? Can I do it?
Nope.
Please.
That's what power tools are. They're man tools. Julian, put it underneath. Let it go. Woo! Do it again. Dude, that's why I love my YouTube account. To add shit like this.
He's so
Time to get a watch.
He's
I have
definitely an
one.
owner. I don't want to be on YouTube. You can edit me out. Good work.
The fuck?
What did you do?
Oh, works. It works.
Yes, you did hard work.
Uncle Robbie's a freak.
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
If you're gonna dance, dance, dude. The only problem is my screen is so little and you are so freakishly big that you don't fit unless you're like, wait, what? That was spraying me with dirt. Out of the way!
Are you coming back?
Yeah,
I don't want you to jump.
of course he's going to. I don't want you to, therefore means I will do.
Jillian, I do not want you to stand still.
Wait for it. Oh.
Yeah, you're picking your
I do not.
You have to wiggle your butt and then she'll chase you.
Runaway child! Oh my god!
Oh, apparently a little bit. So, Julian, I guess you don't wanna... Where the hell did he go? Hey guys, so ignore my disgusting kitchen, but I always find interesting things whenever I'm cooking hamburgers. Do you think this raw meat looks like it's in the shape of Africa? Yeah. Swear to goodness. I'm cooking Africa. This is weird. This is very weird. Anyway, thought I'd share.